Have you ever been in the kitchen juggling a hot pot, a dripping spoon, and a jar lid that just won't budge and thought, there's gotta be a better way? Well, there is. In today's video, we're diving into 21 insanely cool kitchen gadgets you can get on Amazon that'll make cooking, prepping, and cleaning feel a whole lot easier. Let's jump in and kick things off with gadget number 1. Number 1, toss and chop tongs. Imagine tossing and chopping your salad in one smooth move. No separate bowl, no knife juggling. These smart tongs have sharp, curved blades that let you cut lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and more directly in the bowl. You get bite-sized salad pieces in seconds without bruising delicate greens. The handle has a comfortable grip, and the blades are designed to stay sharp. Number 2, dash egg cooker. Boiling eggs perfectly every time sounds easy until it isn't. This compact egg cooker takes out the guesswork. Just add water, load up to 6 eggs, choose your doneness, soft, medium, or hard, and hit the button. It steams the eggs and automatically shuts off when done. No cracked shells, no green yolks, and no standing over a stove. It even comes with trays for poached eggs and omelets. Number 3, bag Spout Clips. If your pantry's full of half-used bags of rice, cereal, or snacks, these clips are going to change your life. They seal your bags tightly to keep food fresh, but also come with pour spouts, just like a bottle. That means no spilling when you try to pour oatmeal or coffee into your mug. Simply snip a corner of the bag, clip the spout on, and you're good to go. These are perfect for kids' snacks, too. No more crushed cereal all over the kitchen floor. Number 4, Guaca Container. Guacamole lovers, this one's for you. The biggest problem with guac is how fast it turns brown. This container fixes that by pressing out the air before you seal the lid. Less air means no oxidation, and that means bright green guacamole for days. The design is simple but effective, and it even looks nice enough to bring to the table during parties. You can also use it for salsa or hummus. Number 5, salad shears chopper. If you love chopped salads but hate cleaning cutting boards, this gadget is your shortcut. It looks like a big pair of scissors, but it's designed to quickly chop leafy greens right in your bowl. The rounded blades move in a rocking motion, making it easy to slice through lettuce without crushing it. It works great for herbs, too. You'll end up with evenly cut pieces, and your salad just feels fancier. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. No extra dishes, no mess. Number 6, clip-on strainer. No more digging for a big colander. This silicone strainer clips directly onto your pot or pan. Whether you're draining pasta or pouring off boiling water from veggies, this little tool saves space and gives you more control. It fits most round pots and bowls, stays in place, and is easy to clean. Best of all, you only need one hand to use it. Number 7, corn peeler tool. Cutting corn off the cob usually makes a huge mess. Not with this tool. Its curved blade hugs the shape of the cob and cleanly removes rows of kernels in one smooth motion. That means less mess, less effort, and more sweet corn ready for salads, soups, or salsas. It's safer than using a knife, especially for kids or older folks, and it gives you uniform pieces every time. Number 8, glass popcorn popper. Microwave popcorn bags are convenient, but they're not exactly healthy or eco-friendly. This glass popper lets you make fluffy popcorn using plain kernels and no oil. Just pour the kernels in, pop on the lid, and microwave. You'll save money, avoid weird ingredients, and reduce waste. It's dishwasher safe and comes with built-in measurement marks, so you always get the perfect amount. Add your own seasonings for flavor control. Number 9, egg yolk separator. Separating egg whites from yolks usually ends in broken shells and sticky fingers. This soft, squeezable gadget makes it easy and clean. Crack the egg into a bowl, squeeze the separator, hover it over the yolk, and let it suck it up. One more squeeze, and the yolk lands in a second bowl. Perfect every time. It's great for baking, dieting, or making recipes that need just whites or yolks. Number 10, Angry Mama Cleaner. She looks mad, but that's because she's steaming. Literally. Fill her with water and vinegar, microwave her for 5 minutes, and she releases steam that loosens food gunk inside your microwave. You just wipe it clean. No scrubbing, no harsh sprays. The design is funny and functional, and it works surprisingly well. It's a simple way to keep your microwave fresh, And it adds a little humor to your cleanup routine, too. Number 11. Herb scissors. Chopping herbs doesn't have to be a time-consuming mess. These scissors come with 5 blades stacked together, so every snip gives you 5 perfect cuts. Just hold your herbs over a bowl and start snipping. Parsley, cilantro, basil, whatever you like. No more sticky knives or cutting boards covered in green mess. The scissors even come with a little cleaning comb to clear out leftover pieces. It's fun to use and turns fresh herbs into a fluffy pile of flavor in seconds. Number 12. Under Cabinet Jar Opener. This hidden hero lives under your cabinet and helps you open jars without breaking a sweat. Just slide the lid into the V-shaped teeth and twist. That's it. It grips tight, even on slippery pickle jars or stuck-on pasta sauce lids. No more banging the jar, no more asking for help. It's completely out of sight until you need it, making it great for small kitchens. Seniors, kids, or anyone with wrist pain will love how easy this makes opening jars. Number 13. Pizza scissors. Forget the pizza cutter wheel. These pizza scissors make slicing so much smoother. They cut cleanly through crust, cheese, and toppings without dragging everything off the slice. The bottom blade is wide and flat, acting like a built-in server. So once you cut the slice, you can lift and serve it straight onto a plate. No mess, no cheese sticking to the knife, no jagged edges. It works perfectly on thick crust, thin crust, even frozen pizza. Number 14. Adjustable measuring spoon. Instead of cluttering your drawer with 5 different measuring spoons, this gadget gives you all the measurements in one slim tool. Just slide the insert to your desired amount and it locks into place. It works with both dry and liquid ingredients, and the markings are easy to read. From a pinch of baking soda to a full tablespoon of syrup, you'll only need this one tool. Number 15. Dracula Garlic Crusher. Meet Dracula, the vampire who loves garlic. Twist his head and he crushes garlic, ginger, or nuts with surprisingly little effort. The design isn't just cute, it's ergonomic, and the inside chamber breaks things down evenly without the hand strain of a traditional garlic press. Plus, because it doesn't have metal parts to clean, washing it is simple. It looks fun sitting on your counter, and it actually works really well. Number 16. Fridge Fork, Condiment Fork. Tired of sticking your fingers or a spoon into pickle jars? This little tool solves that. It wraps around the neck of any jar and holds a long-handled fork in place. When you need a pickle, olive, or cherry, the fork is right there, clean, ready, and mess-free. Then you just pop it back into its caddy. No more dripping brine all over the counter. Number 17. Twist Chicken Shredder. Shredding meat with forks is a slow, hand-cramping process. This tool changes that. Toss your cooked chicken or pork into the container, close the lid, and give it a few quick twists. Inside, teeth grip and pull apart the meat, turning it into perfect shreds in seconds. No mess, no burned fingers. It's especially handy for meal prep, tacos, salads, sandwiches, you name it. Number 18. Electric Rotato Peeler. This is the lazy genius of vegetable prep. Stick your potato or apple onto the holder, press a button, and watch it spin. A sharp arm gently peels the skin in one perfect spiral. No effort on your part. It's oddly satisfying to watch, and it saves time on big prep days. Great for anyone with arthritis or limited dexterity, too. It works on most firm fruits and veggies, and it stops automatically when finished. Number 19. Blade Brush Knife Cleaner. Washing knives is tricky. You want them clean, but not at the cost of slicing your fingers. Enter the blade brush. It's a U-shaped scrubber with bristles on both sides that wraps around the blade. You just slide it up and down for a safe, thorough clean. The textured grip gives you control, even when your hands are wet. It also works for spatulas, peeler blades, and more. It's compact, clever, and protects your hands from accidental cuts. Number 20. Push-down soap dispenser. This dispenser does two jobs. It holds your dish soap and loads your sponge with one push. Just press the sponge onto the top and the perfect amount of soap comes out. No tipping bottles, no spills. It keeps your counter tidy, saves soap, and speeds up dishwashing. The sponge sits right on top, so it stays close without cluttering the sink area. Number 21. RollUp Sink Rack. This drying rack is pure genius for small kitchens. It rolls out across your sink, giving you instant counter space. Use it to dry dishes, rinse produce, or cool hot pans. When you're done, just roll it up and tuck it away. It takes up almost no room. The silicone-coated rods are heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, so it's durable and easy to clean. And there you have it, 21 cool kitchen gadgets that combine function, fun, and convenience, all available on Amazon. Which gadget was your favorite?